the last video, you guys saw us take this from a powder-coated frame to a fully built roller. Today, we're gonna be ripping it and seeing exactly what it can do.
Nice. See, that's why you gotta do that. Freaking, I'm not that guy, pal.
You're not that guy. Should we just enter like a full out, like cinematic, like...
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Did the ATC 70 flip you over on your back like that? No. They were outlawed and they didn't even have near as much torque. They do that? Huh? They do that?
This is gonna end with one of us in the emergency department. I guarantee it. Someone's going over.
Oh, I know exactly what's gonna happen. You're gonna try to be a hot rod. You're gonna grab way too much throttle and you're just gonna bounce off the wheelie bars. Told ya.
Whiskey throttle!
It's insane how you can just power wheelie even.
Oh my god!
Be easy. Ease into it. Easy!
Dude, I didn't know what was in that block.
You're like it wasn't fine china.
I was hoping it was like a big metal block.
Hold on. Okay, stop now. Let's get your honest reaction.
I don't even know what to say. Cause it's literally like just like ripping like some two-stroke dirt bike. You're like, wop, wop, bop. Just freaking, like I'll be mid-roll and just hit it and it'll hit those wheelie bars and just be like perfect.
Okay, but no, seriously, everything we filmed today has just been garbage. Absolute trash.
Really?
Nothing for a video. We need to get serious.
I feel like that was the opposite.
But have you ever seen Family Guy where Peter buys like all these lotto tickets?
Yeah.
And he's like, they spend like 8 days scratching them all. And
Yeah.
he's like, those weren't the actual lotto
Oh
tickets.
yeah, those were a
These
test.
are the real lotto
That was
tickets.
a test.
That's like this. That wasn't the real battery. This is a fully charged battery. So whatever you thought you had, take that and double it. Production model will have thumb screws. So this here, turbocharger. It's a turbo charger,
Oh.
not a turbocharger.
Oh. Not a Chinese choo-choo train.
No. If you guys have a drill at home, simple as that. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm getting a freshly charged battery,
Battery.
and install it on this thing.
Simple as
Simple
that.
as that.
Man, you're really improving your talking skills.
I need like one of those easy buttons from Staples. Not sponsored.
So you really think this is gonna make a difference?
I know for a fact. Turn that switch on, 57 volts. You were 42 last time.
Damn.
And then
Well, you're not gonna let me take it for the first trip.
you just, oh, you want to?
Well, I mean, I thought.
Now you need to just like dub in a video of me like somehow just literally shooting to the moon. How you feeling? How you feeling?
I feel like my heart rate's up. My blood pressure's probably up.
It's got a lot more power, man. Extremely safe. Do it. Easy.
Whiskey throttle,
Hold
man.
on, what do you want? You sure somebody's leg didn't bump it?
What?
Oh, shit.
What?
We've been in full power. That's why somebody's knee bumped it. It's been in full throttle. It's the way.
Oh yeah, this is a freaking joyride now.
It looked like you're doing 70.
It feels like it. Holy sh!
Easy, okay, easy. Put it down, guy. You're not allowed to have a full charge battery.
Dude, I'm freaking ripping!
Shut it down, shut it down! That's it, you're done, you're done. Get off that thing. How's a full battery feel? Tell it to the camera.
Dude, my heart's racing. I need a breather, man. This thing is ripping.
All that electricity.
It literally feels like you're doing 100 miles an hour.
You're amped up. I'm amped up. Got a whole nother one ready to rock and roll. Back out of it, man. God, you are getting nuts.
I was expecting it to be quick, but like the fact that you could just be like rolling and then just hit it and it goes into the party zone, or like even be like a little half wheelie and then just bop, bop. I wonder how fast this thing went. If you just had like road to go, how fast it would actually go. It feels like you're going so fast. I don't know how fast you actually are going, but like.
We're gonna have a whole gang of these.
Dude, wait till we have a video of like 3 of us just ripping wheelies at the same time. I'll pull an old Benji trick here.
Oh, whoa! Whoa! Don't do that. God! Stop! What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Just cleaning the floor.
Let's go! Let's go!
I'm getting so wet.
So wet. Oh! Oh my God, you're soaked.
I am so wet.
You're soaked.
Did I get any water on me?
Is that gonna screw with the electronics? You ready?
Jeez!
Then you just take off. I'm telling you, man, you gotta turn left hard, then right.
What?
Do you want me to do it?
You told me a cheat code for a Super Nintendo.
Let me do it. I'll do it.
Look at that control! Power wheelie! Nice! Get her going. There you go.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
I mean, that was sweet power wheelie.
Into a wheelie! Wheelie drift! What? What? How? Wheelie drift!
I gotta go the other way.
Are you kidding me? I'm not gonna lie, I got a little bit scared for like, I better watch where he's at because he's not gonna stop if he's gonna hit me.
You gotta try and do a wheelie. We gotta hang this thing up, man.
We're done.